Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mohammed Samad, your English instructor from English Vanglish. ازيكم يا جماعة عاملين ايه؟ يا رب تكونوا كويسين. النهارده ان شاء الله هنكمل سيشن 10. ما زلنا في كورس الصوتيات The American Phonetics. اوكي، صوتيات الامريكان انجلش. والنهارده ان شاء الله هنكفر سيشن 10 هتكفر الفاولز. بدأنا في الفاولز السيشن اللي فاتت واتكلمنا عن 2 فاولز بالتفصيل، والنهارده هنتكلم برضو عن 2 فاولز. سيشن خفيفه وسريعه النهارده ان شاء الله، سهله جدا. هنتكلم عن ال O sound and A sound. Okay, how it's pronounced in the American English. Alright. طيب تعال نشوف اول حاجه. Let me get my pencil here. Okay, so the O اللي هو ال hidden W. في hidden W في ال O. Okay, O زي كلمه open, blown, bold, owner, coach, loan, road, and slow. Okay, so open, blown, bold, owner, coach, loan, road, and slow. Okay, so let's practice. تعالى نشوف ال practice بتاعت ال sentences. How did you know that? How did you know that? Right? I don't know where the hole in the coat. I don't know where the hole in the coat. Okay? I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. Okay? A cold. Has it ever snowed in Rhode Island? Rhode Island. This is, a city. So has it ever snowed in Rhode Island? Alright, تعال نشوف المقارنة comparison between walk and want. Okay, walk and want. So I want the ball. I want the ball, right? Ball, dark L, section 6. I won't give you the ball. So I want the ball دي a affirmative statement, right? اللي هو جملة مثبتة. طب النفي بتاعها want نفيها ايه؟ won't. Won't give you the ball. So I won't give you the ball. Okay. She wants us to sleep. She woke up. Won't give you. She woke up. She woke up. Okay. Alright. So I want the ball. I won't give you the ball. She wants to sleep. She woke up. They woke up. وهكذا. Okay. طيب. دي الفاول اللي هو بالنسبة للفاول ال O. Okay. احنا عارفين انه O. Open. Blown. Bold. coach, loan, road, and slow, right? But زي ما قلنا في كلمات لما كان بيبقى في اللي هو قلنا الكلمات اللي هي R2. فاكرين الفرق بين البريتش والامريكان اكسنت؟ ان الامريكان اكسنت الاو بيقولوها في النص الكلمات ما بتنطقش، زي computer, right? computer. اوكي، زي lost. فاكرين الكلام اللي احنا قلناه في الكلمة اللي هو hot. So hot. Okay, we are in the summer, so it's so hot down here. Okay, so that's the computer. Lost, hot. Okay, this is the O sound, alright, in American English phonetics. But when you say like in the beginning of words, ممكن تفتحها شوية زي ما تقول open, right? Blown, bold, owner. Okay, or soon oven, right? Go on, come on. بس هناخد الكلام ده. تمام. طيب نيجي الفاول A زي كلمة age, aid, able, chain, fake, face, angel, right? Basic مش basic, it's basic guys. Okay, جت من كلمة basically أساسي، بشكل أساسي. Okay, basic and basically. Alright, it's not basic at all. Alright, it's a basic. Alright, a change, a nation. So this is a vowel sound برضه. It's A, right? عشان كده it's يعني اللي بيجي بعديهم زي ما قلنا زي الكلمة زي ال voiced وال unvoiced. So it's very very critical in American English ان ال vowels لما بيجي بعديها حاجة معينة مثلا زي ال ED ed endings لما خدناهم، فالفاولز بيجي بعديها بعد ال ed بتنطق pronounced d. طب ال unvoiced pronounced t right. طب ال ed امتى؟ لما بتعدي t وال d صح. فكل الحاجات ديت مترتبة على الفاولز دي. فالفاولز دي very very important in English in American English. ف يعني بيدوا معنى مختلف طبعا للكلمة لو قلتها بشكل خطأ. تمام. The ape gave the trainer a cane right. The rainbow appeared when the daylight changed. Okay, so my neighbor's basement was changed from blue to beige right. Beige, a j sound right. Okay, so voiced as well. So my neighbor's basement was changed from blue to beige right. Okay, so في ملحوظة هنا. تمام. في حاجة هنا يعني ملحوظة نقطة هنا ان the hidden W and go on and go out. Go out alright. في هنا لما بنقول go on اوكي لما يبقى في two vowels ورا بعض كده. تمام. في sound sound اوكي بيحصل كده. تمام. فبتدخلهم على بعض يعني o وال o لما بيجوا ورا بعض كده في كلمتين تمام ورا بعض فبيبقى في sound اوكي w sound كده تمام بينهم. تمام. فبتنطقها go on مش go on لا go on come on right. Go out. Let's go out together. Let's go out sometimes right. بنقولها go out اوكي ما بنقولهاش go out لا go out. Let's go out together right. let's went on together okay. وهكذا. يبقى في W okay sound and when O and O comes after each other يعني لما يتجمعوا مع بعض عشان طبعا تسهيلا للpronunciation يعني اوكي. فما نفصلش بينهم لا go on go out okay. So that's it. So let's wrap it up. That's it for today's session guys. So O أهم حاجة ال O تركز فيها في pronunciation زي couch, lawn, road, slow, lost, hot, computer هكذا. تمام. How did you know that? Did you right. So there's J sound in here okay. عشان ايه did you D واليو بعديها صح. فاكرين لما خدنا D و T. ف did you في J sound هنا اهو. How did you know that? I don't know. When you say I don't know like a wah sound كده ايه hidden right. I don't know where the hole in the coat man. I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. Has it ever snowed in Rhode Island? Okay, intonation up and down. Okay, walk and want. I won't give you the ball. The ball okay. She woke up in the morning. وهكذا. A sound like age. It's A right not A لا A age aid able chain angel basically. The ape gave the trainer a cane. The rainbow appeared when daylight changed. My neighbor's basement was changed from blue to beige okay. and لما O وال O بيجوا ورا بعض في كلمتين منفصلين بيبقى في واه sound okay hidden W right which is go on come on. Let's go out together okay sometimes وهكذا. Let's hang out together وهكذا. طبق عليها بقى ايه نفس الكلام في pronunciation أو الكلمات اللي أنت بتقابلها. Okay, so that's it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.